going to be the Varma. So there are multiple points in our body. We all know that, right? It's called chakra. There are 72,000 nadis. Out of 72,000 nadis, there are 108 nadis in our body, which is a major junction point, activation point. Out of those 108 nadis, we conclude those nadis are energized through our chakras. That's 7 chakras, right? So out of those 108 nadis, there are few nadis which are there in our face, which helps to improve the eyesight. Right? So we are going to see that first. It's very simple. Again.
So Surya Davam is done.
Yeah, Surya Davam is done. Any questions on Surya Davam?
So we don't do like this on the left hand?
No, you can just stare. It's very straight. No need to do that. I mean, it's if you see, there are multiple techniques. See, there is no single technique anywhere. It's always multiple techniques. Now, so many people tried and they have given. First. Number two, nothing is ours. Nothing is mine, I would say. Right? Don't think that even if I sit in the meditation and download it, somebody is giving me. It's not mine. I don't know how I get it. Seriously. Right? So, it is only for the human kind. For better health. Simple. Bottom line. Let's do that. Any questions on Surya Davam? Right. Let's do the Varma. So Varma means, so this area, again, we are not focusing and we are not thinking about area of our body. People who attended Vazhviyal, they know. Listen to your body, I always say that. And sit in front of the mirror, naked body, and then watch out your body, talk to your body. Right? So talk to your body and say that you love your body. Keep in mind, you are not your body. You love your body. Right? People say that, don't worry about body is not ours. No. Anything we experience, we need body. That is why we chose this body. It is our responsibility to keep this body healthy. Something is given to you means you have to take care of it. But we are not taking care of it. The only problem is, even if you post it, how many people see that? How many people are interested to come? There are so many priorities. Right? What is going to help? Some people are, I already attended. There are so many other things. But only blessed people get it. Seriously. Blessed people get it, and then you are so blessed if you are doing the practice. The practice is the key. Giving is not a big thing. So do that. See, every time, again you do it at least 6 to 8 times in a day. Right? Each Siddha has given multiple things. So I've taken only the best thing from them. Okay, which is easy and convenient. Right? The first is all around your eyes, and then this temple and this area. It's a simple thing. It's a 8-point. It's very simple, 8-point. Just do that. Right? How to do it? That is the key. So then your fingers are key. Why? Because each one is anything within our body is happening because of the dasanadis. Dasanadi and dasavayus. It's because of the vayu. How many people are Tamil? Kayame idu poyyada, kaatradithu payyada. You are Tamil? It's good. Please don't laugh, please. When kids do anything, encourage them. Please do not laugh. Please. Kindly request everybody. Because otherwise they will lose. This is where we lost. Let them enjoy, let them be kid. Okay, so you have to explain it. You see, this is what it is supposed to be. They are supposed to be. Please, let them do. We are already lost on track. Only if you are there, left out. Let them enjoy. Right? So, all our body is a combination. So only because of the gas or the vayus, we are properly connected. Or we see the shape. Right? Same thing. Yeah. So make sure that, what is this for?
For the video.
Video. Yeah. Make sure that you enter your correct phone number with right handwriting. Some people, the 7 and 9, most of the time, I don't get it.
I'm just asking the email. So we'll just send the link.
Either email or that. Please try to write it clearly. I see a lot of times at least 2 bounces, 3 bounces on the email as well. Even if you fill in the form, please. Right? So, when this gas forms, that's where we see, we already talked about Apanavai. Right? Same thing, the gas is formed. Again, I go back to the Lalita Sastra. Rattam, Dharnarani, there are so many names actually. Right? So what is that all about? Each body parts, again, it is all about thinking your own body. Don't think that Lalita is actually somewhere, it is inside. Don't think that Shiva is actually somewhere, it's inside. Don't think that Balaji is outside, he is inside, everything is inside. Right? So the gas has to go out. As he was asked, right? Is it going to improve? We are removing the screen. What is that screen? What is that all the operations are doing? They are removing, they cannot produce anything. Humans so far don't have the ability to produce anything. Right? They are only trying to correct or prevent. So correction is one of the methods. Now what we are trying to do is actually prevention. Right? So that has to be activated. So how to activate? That's what thing. Again, these are all 5 fingers meant for 5 Panchabuddhas. Water, Prithvi, Akash, air and fire. So you have to activate accordingly so that the gas will be released. And it's very subtle. Very, very subtle. So it will take time to realize it. Probably in 15 days to 3 months time. But again, continuous practice is a key. Right? How to do that? The first one is just the starting of your eyebrow. Right? Clockwise rotate, anti-clockwise rotate. 3 times. You can go up to maximum 6 times. Okay, I have some evidences here. He's going to talk in mid-time, in a few minutes. Right? So, and then next one here. Yes, see, this is clockwise, right? So inside out. Just a convenience. When you do clockwise, the next time is anti-clockwise. Right? Don't do this way, not this way. Just this one. Inside, outside. Right? If it is a clockwise, it's going to be a anti-clockwise. If it's anti-clockwise, it's going to be a clockwise. That's all. But the point is, that's what I'm saying. We are thinking about instruments, not the carrier. Right? When we say cell phone, the cell phone, we are always thinking of the cell phone. But we never thought about the signal. Unless the signal goes. Right? So this is nothing but just an instrument to receive the signal. That's what we need to see. Right? Yeah. Gentle. Just gentle pressure is good enough. Don't put too much pressure. So if you know Varma, then it's called one matre, kal matre, ara matre, irandu matre, all those things. Right? Basically quarter, half and all. Right? If you have the banana, I can show you how much it is. The pressure I can show you. But or I have to teach you. But just for now, just put simple touch. Just simple touch. After that, probably I can show you individually after this. That's one. Number 2 is on the top of it. You see that there is this is the center of the eyes. Just above, you see a bump, the dent. Right? Just give that 3 times. All index finger. Right? And then below, then again, all index fingers. 3 times. Yeah? The 4th one is all about, if you look at this one, there is this bone, right? If you look at the center of the bone, you will see a small bump, and a kind of hole problem, mostly. Right? Just do this. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Middle finger. Middle finger. When it comes to the, this is middle finger. Right? The middle of the eyes. Middle of the eyes, middle finger. Right? And then again, 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Right?
Second, third.
This is first, and this is second, and upper second, third, bottom third, this is 4th. Right? And then 6th is on this edge. Right? Sorry, fifth. This is the fifth. And then, if you lift your eyebrow and try to touch it, you will see. There is a small dent again. Right? Hold the dent with your thumb. And then do this. Thumb. Yeah. Put this finger like this. Right? And then with this area, the center, right? Put it in the temple and then clockwise, anti-clockwise. Right? And then the middle finger. Yes. Yeah, the 7. This one 8. Middle finger. Again. This one, if you lift like this, right? You see it. No head moving. Don't move your head. Just gently. So you don't have to don't go like, no, you don't have to do like this, right? It's not for skin. It is for the bone. Don't move the bone. Basically, we are activating it. Right? That's enough. And then, one more very important thing, people who can able to do, they can do it. There are 2 ways to do it. I'll give you a simple way, right? Again, middle finger, right? Put this one. 1, 2, 3. This is the simplest way. Or if not, then put this one like this. Yes, the water. Yeah, see the bone traveling around the bone with lot of pressure. Right? Just pressure, good pressure.
And another method of continuation.
Continuation. So total 9.
So how do we do for kids?
Let them do it.
Let them do.
Yes. We can do it, but let them do it. They can do it anytime, even in the school. Right? Give them the practice first. Let them do it. Yeah. You can try to do some follow-up sessions in the Skype and all. I know we are not doing, we are giving, but we are not doing any follow-up so far. Right? You will have, we don't want to do it on the Skype, pretty much. Because most of the people yeah, it's going to be there, then we'll take it. Right? First thing is to remove the glass. So, you want to give anything, sir?
The last exercise,
Yes.
baby.
The babies also you can do.
From the ancient times, not ancient times, we say even now, like back in
Yes, got it. Yeah, that is the point. Yeah. See, anything, the thing is, for a woman, right, anything they do, they make it as very, artistic. Yeah, we do that in the childhood, yes. So far, I met last 3 years we are doing this work, right? This program. And there is only one guy who told me that it's actually improved, including my daughter. She's not doing practice. Now, because of my daughter, she nothing. Nobody practices, nothing's coming. But she removes the classes, but she don't have time to do the practice. She says that it's busy. That's up to her. And we cannot force it. The one guy is doing all the time. It's none other than Sundar. So, okay, I want you to speak now.
So, yeah, like I said, I've been doing this for like 3 years.